As of today, it's easier than ever before to start a successful faceless YouTube channel. Because in this video, I'll be revealing the secret of these mind-blowing new AI tools that can create you complete viral faceless videos in literally 5 minutes. This will generate you the script, voiceover, media, music, and put it all together perfectly, all by one click of a button. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about YouTube automation videos. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. For the first tool that we are going to use, we're just gonna use ChatGPT. We will generate our script and some ideas here. I know most of you know this tool by now. And the first thing that we are going to do is type this prompt right here. Suggest creative video ideas within the niche, which what you are looking for, that can be produced using stock footage available online. I'm looking for engaging concepts that will captivate my audience and effectively convey the essence of niche. So to keep this video digestible, I'm going to stick with the travel niche. You can go ahead and maybe go for fitness or food or something like that. But for this tutorial, we're just gonna go for travel niche. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type travel niche here. To generate some ideas, just go ahead and click this green button right here, send message, and it will generate some message for us right here. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated 12 ideas right here for me. And as you may know, this is not the typical top 10 places to visit. And for the second prompt, we're just gonna type this. Give me 10 viral video ideas I can create in the travel niche that can be created using stock footage, for example. And right here, we are going to specify on what videos we are making. For example, if we head on over to YouTube right here, we can go ahead and browse for the most popular travel niches. So this one, it's the top 10 places to visit in Europe. This is very popular with almost 1 million views. We can go ahead and take inspiration from this. We're just gonna go ahead and go back to our ChatGPT and type. So right now we have this prompt, top 10 places to visit for your wedding. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on send message right here, and it's gonna generate another 10 viral ideas for us. As you can see, ChatGPT generated 10 viral ideas for us. We can go ahead and look at around the world in 60 seconds, create a fast-paced 1-minute video, and we have your travel hacks, aerial adventures, travel gone wrong, and you can just go ahead and choose your preferred topic right here. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose around the world in 60 seconds, create a fast-paced 1-minute videos that showcase a whirlwind tour of a multiple countries and iconic landmarks. Use quick cuts and music to keep viewers engaged. For the next step, prepare to get your mind blown because we are going to dive into this amazing AI powerful tool, and everybody can go ahead and use this even as a complete beginner. For this step, we're just gonna head straight to Invideo.ai and we are going to use this prompt. I'm just gonna leave this prompt in description or comment section. Just go ahead and check it out, but it's right here. Once inside Invideo.ai, we are just gonna go ahead and paste our prompt right here. The only thing left to do now is go ahead and complete the prompt by filling in with the open and close parentheses right here. I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you could complete this prompt right here. So for the first one right here, we have a create a length. We're just gonna go ahead and put the duration of the video right here. If you want a long video, you could go for maybe something like 10 minutes or 8 minutes. But if you want a short and straight to the point video, maybe you should go for something like 3 to 5 minutes. We're just gonna go in the middle, something like 5 minutes here. And for this one platform, we're just gonna go ahead and maybe put something like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, depending on what do you want your videos to be posted on. We're just gonna go ahead and put YouTube here. And for the next prompt that we have here, a detailed explanation of the video topic. For this one, you just want to go back to ChatGPT, and since we have chosen the topic 1, around the world in 60 seconds, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it to the Invideo AI. And since in ChatGPT it stated here a 1-minute video, I'm just gonna go ahead and erase this. For the next, we have here the video should include specifics. So in this column, we're just gonna go ahead and put something like in the point format or maybe in a rhyme format. or in the most popular storytelling format. In this tutorial, we're just gonna use the storytelling format. So let's just go ahead and erase this. Include storytelling format. For the next one, we have the overall mood of the video should be, you could go ahead and maybe put something like educational, calming, inspirational, depending on what you like, but you can go ahead and experiment on it. So in my video, I want the video to be adventurous. For the next one, we have the aim of the video, what you want the video to accomplish. It's simple, we're just gonna put here to educate people on different landmarks. The voiceover should be male or female. I'm just gonna go ahead and go for male. And for the accent, you could go for any accent, but in this video, we're just gonna go for heavy British accent. Dynamic pacing and use, you could go for simple, sophisticated, and casual. I'm just going for simple, so a lot of people can go ahead and come along with this video. Word style, add a lot. We're just gonna go for a lot of stock footage here, so there's a lot of engagement that we can go ahead and attract. For the last one, we're just gonna add a type of music. We're just gonna go for happy because happy is always good, I guess. Now that we're done with the first part, we can now go ahead and proceed to the second step. It's even easier with this one. If you're having a hard time thinking, I completely understand you. We're just gonna go ahead and do this step right here. So for the easier method, we're just gonna go back straight to ChatGPT and we're just gonna modify this prompt right here. We have added this extra line right here using idea number, the idea number you want to use. Fill in this prompt, only changing the info in the brackets. That is the only thing that we need to add into our previous prompt. So for this one, you're just gonna go ahead and put your idea number. So for the idea number, we have chosen this number 1 right here, around the world in 60 seconds. So just go ahead and input your number right here. And let's go ahead and copy this and paste it into our prompt. After pasting it to your prompt, just go ahead and smash on the send message button and wait for it to generate your prompt. So right now it has generated this prompt for us. Let's just go ahead and copy this and paste it back to Invideo.ai. And since it's stating here that it's gonna go ahead and create a 1-minute video, I'm just gonna go ahead and modify it and change it into 3 minutes. Let's just go ahead and click on generate a video and it's gonna load in for you in a second. After finish loading for a while, we're gonna be presented with these additional questions right here. It's gonna ask our audience, just go for travel enthusiast. Look and feel, just go for something like epic or inspiring depending on your style. And for the platform, of course, we're just gonna use YouTube here. Click on continue once more and it's gonna generate our video for us. Right now, Invideo AI has just finished creating us our wonderful video right here.
Teeming with diversity, where every corner holds a unique story, etched in stone and time. We're embarking on a global expedition, a journey that will whisk us away to the iconic landmarks that dot our planet.
And as you can see right here, it even added some text for us. And wait, we're not yet finished. We can go ahead and still edit this if we don't like some parts of it. So to edit this manually, just go ahead and click on the edit button right here. You're gonna go ahead and see this script that the AI has made, and you can go ahead and manually add or change some of the stock footage here. You could upload your own, or you could go ahead and select from their stock media library. It has thousands of stock footage, so you could definitely go and find what you are looking for. And to edit this automatically, we could just go ahead and give it some additional prompts to edit the video for us. For example, let's just go ahead and click on this. Right now it's giving us some suggestions. Delete the second scene, make this scene half as long, or change current stock to video drone in the forest. So you could go ahead and add a bunch of prompts right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you some example right here. So I just added this prompt that's saying that I wanna add this additional scene that's saying subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial. I'm gonna play this out for you to see it for yourself.
Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial, your gateway to a world of exciting, immersive content. As we prepare to embark on a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is thrilling, we invite you to be a part of this adventure. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of the past, fascinated by the dynamism of the present, and eager to explore what the future holds, this is the place for you. So are you ready to delve into the extraordinary? Then hit that subscribe button now, and let's set off on this voyage of discovery together. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Yours starts with a click. Subscribe now, and let's embark on a global expedition.
That is it for our tutorial today, guys. You could go ahead and do some more research about this AI tool, but if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.